Oh, what's up, Schizo V? Look, man, I just wanted to let you know sincerely from the bottom of my heart, my nigga. I ain't mean to fuck your bitch, man. I ain't. But I ain't mean to fuck your bitch, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I ain't gonna lie, man. I think about the head all the time, man, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, shit, you keep on running your mouth, I'm gonna be forced to come get that head again. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you know, you the one playing these games, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do fuck your bitch. You know what I'm saying? So shit, you know, it is what it is. Why motherfucker nigga talking about the hoe putting me out? Nigga, hoe ain't putting me out, nigga. And I do got my own shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I got my own house, nigga, own studio, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga laying over there, shacking up over there, nigga, by the food stamp office, nigga. Broke ass, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Then you got this cheerleading ass nigga with this nigga talk more shit than you do. This nigga don't even know me. This nigga ain't never seen me before in his life. And run his mouth. I bet that nigga can suck a good dick. The way he talk, I know he can suck a good dick. You know what I'm saying? A lot of my niggas seen this shit. I bet that nigga, they got some fine ass cap. That's why they call him Mr. Fat, because his cap fine a motherfucker. You can tell the way he talk shit. Nigga, real good actor. But I tell you what though, I'm just gonna, I mean, you know, y'all niggas sound real mad, man. Woo, I'm scared as a motherfucker. Man, shit. A5, you know, you want to get to know my nigga, you know what I'm saying? All you got to do, man, set the date, nigga. I'm going to hit you in your motherfucking eye, for real. You know what I'm saying? I'm on this music shit for real, man. You niggas ain't getting no money off this shit, man. You niggas still working at fast food restaurants and shit. Niggas backyard burger cooking sandwiches and shit, turn to a killer when you get in front of an internet camera. Man, I don't understand you niggas, man. You know what I'm saying? I really don't. But you talking about you got goons, nigga, hey, man, I'm out here, bro, every motherfucking day. You know what I'm saying? It ain't like I'm somewhere hiding or something. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, I got goons. Nigga, I tell you what, how about if I just send a couple niggas over there on National and stomp one of you bitches out? You know what I'm saying? How about that? I bet you bitches quit playing with a boss then, nigga. This that gangster shit, nigga. This that GD shit, nigga. Quit playing gang. You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say though, man. You know what I'm saying? All this shit stems from a motherfucking nigga. I'm being real to this nigga, telling this nigga the bitch sucked my dick and I fucked her. You know what I'm saying? I told the nigga this. It ain't like I was sneaking behind on niggas back. Nigga, you know the name of the game, nigga. Bitch chose me, nigga. I ain't violated no kind of way, nigga. You just a bitch ass nigga. That little setup move you pull, nigga. I'm still alive, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You niggas can't get rid of me, man. You niggas wanna be me, man. Nigga, I put you in the rap game. Slow ass nigga. Nah, you ain't even in the rap game. You just held a nigga away, man. Throw funk ass down somewhere, nigga, and try to concentrate on the idea of fat stinking ass nigga. Nigga, I ain't never seen you fresh, nigga. Never in my life. I remember went to the club one night, nigga, your bitch got on you. Somebody, nigga, why you can't dress fresh like Hollis Point D.O.N. and Mad Mind? You in the club with them old leaning ass. What was them from? Leaning ass felines or something. The nigga ain't never had a pair of Jordans in his motherfucking life. I know this is my second time saying that, cause that's the motherfucking truth, man. That nigga's a fucking joke to me, man. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, I done made my mark in the game, nigga. I'm still making marks, nigga. You niggas ain't gonna push shit out, nigga, cause you niggas don't know. Y'all ain't got no knowledge of this shit. And tell your little poodle to sit our ass in the corner. You know what I'm saying? Like grown men talk with his bitch ass. I'm about this bitch. See me when you see me, nigga. It is what it is, hoe.